Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Samsung Music Player. Okay, so we can download it from the Google Play Store or from the Galaxy Store. I'm gonna show you how to do it from the Galaxy Store, so simply open it up. And now we need to type Samsung Music. Now download by clicking on that icon. Okay, as you can see currently it's being installed. To open it up, click right in here. Now click on continue. Click on continue once more. Click on allow. Click on allow. Or in here, actually you don't need to, but it's up to you. And here you have your playlist, tracks, albums, favorites, and the Spotify. And also it appeared right in here. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.